subscribe, share, and like to your friends.
Okay, dito yung habit. Sakto tayo sa Eastwood. Dito tayo mag-dinner. Yan. Manam. Let's go natin. Let's eat. Manam. Sa table. Okay, ito yung menu naman. Manam, Comfort Filipino. Diba sa Eastwood? Ito yung menu nila. Menu. Umagahan, tanghalian, merienda, hapunan. Itong Manam. Nothing feels more Filipino than being welcome home and invited to eat at the table. Manam Comfort food takes its cues from the world Bali Nam Nam, which means heartily tasty, and was born for the tradition of gathering family and friends, taking the time to share stories and great memories around the festive meal. Manam creates these moments through classics and twists, serving timeless Filipino fare alongside contemporary spin on these dishes, small, medium, and large offerings to satisfy the palate of this tradition. Yung pala yung Manam, Malinam-nam. Oh, that's why. Yung menu nila. Ito mga breakfast menu nila. Pang-almusal. Yung cascaldo, champurado, tapsilog, tocino, longanisa, miso. Corned beef. Meron silang champurado. Want to try? Baka masarap champurado yun. Pang merienda snacks. Pika-pika. Pansit. Yan, yung pansit nila. Gusto ko yung crispy pansit palabok. I wanna try that. Looks good. Okay, that's the menu. Think of sisig. Think of us. Ayan, ito yung nila, sisig. One of the signature dishes, sisig and the pansit. My paborito. My favorites. Gising-gising. Sisig, kare-kare. Yung pricing nila. Okay. So meron silang small, medium, large. Very affordable yung pricing small is mga 200, medium is 300, and then large is around 600. Small lang, pa small dishes para matry natin. Sinigang. Okay lang yung price, no? Okay lang, okay lang. Sinigang with watermelon. Bangus, sisig. Sisig ako sa pansit palabok. Beverages din. Beverages. And dessert beverages. Pinatamis at iba kape. Hindi na tayo nakapasok, hindi man natin nakita yung interior. Okay. Meron lang. Ito yung nila, interior nila. Sa taas. Yun. That's their interior. Okay, our drinks. Coke and mango shake. Pang dish namin. Kare-kare. Comment ko lang, ano siya, parang regular Filipino food. Presentation was good. Result naman, clean naman. Hindi siya maalat. Okay. Okay, price review tayo. And the total is, wow, very affordable. How much is it? 1785.98. 1785.98. 18 lang. Good for 3 to 4 persons. Affordable. 5 ako din sa price.
Subscribe, share, and like to your friends.